Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right foundation for your macaroni salad. In this video, I will show how to make good macaroni salad. First, select about 16 ounces of elbow macaroni for that classic texture. Cook it al dente, which means firm to the bite, following the package instructions carefully. Immediately after cooking, rinse the pasta under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents it from becoming mushy. Finally, ensure the pasta is completely drained before moving on. The dressing is key to a delicious macaroni salad. In a large bowl, whisk together about 1½ cups of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust the seasonings to ensure it's just right for you. Now, let's add some fresh, crisp ingredients to elevate your salad. Finely dice about 1 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of red onion, and 1/2 cup of green bell pepper. These add a wonderful crunch and vibrant flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a bright, herbaceous touch. For extra richness, you might also include 2 or 3 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Make sure all your vegetables are uniformly chopped for the best texture. It's time to bring all these wonderful components together. In a large bowl, gently fold the creamy dressing into your cooked macaroni and chopped vegetables. Mix carefully until every piece of pasta and every vegetable is evenly coated with that delicious dressing. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your macaroni salad for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a perfectly refreshing and tasty salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.